So for breakfast, I had a berry vanilla breakfast shake. I added 1.5 cups of almond milk to a blender, 3 frozen strawberries, about 10 frozen raspberries, a handful of blueberries, 1/4 of frozen banana, and this vanilla raw organic meal replacement. I added 1 scoop of this, and I blended it all up.
I told you what I did last night. I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow.
I got these lentil chips from Sprouts. Enjoy life. It's dill and sour cream. These are actually really good. We're on our way to Kroger's. Let's see what else I could get. So hi, Mom. So look what I ran into at Kroger's. So I'm going to be tasting these today. I saw these at Kroger's. It's the Daiya, what flavor? Chocolate Fudge Crunch bars. So this is ice cream and it's made from coconut milk. And so here we have it. They had 2 flavors there. They had the chocolate one and they had the regular one. That's good. This is really good. I'm surprised at how good this is. It's creamy. Just like regular chocolate ice cream. It tastes really good. Okay, so 3 come in a box, which is an odd number, because with the what's it called? The So Delicious ice cream has 4 in a box. I don't know if you can see, but it has like fudge in the middle. There it is. Now it's focused. This is in my top fave of vegan ice cream. So yeah, I got it from Kroger's. I have chocolate on my lips. But I'm sure Whole Foods has it because they always have like the latest vegan stuff. That was good. So yeah, I don't have anything bad to say about it. Besides the fact 3 come in a box. I don't know why they did that. Maybe for some special reason they did. And it was a little on the pricey side compared to the other ones. It was like $6 and some change. So, but these are a winner. Hey, baby. Non-vegan sister. How does this ice cream taste?
I'm a part-time vegan, and this is delicious. Ice cream is very creamy. The shell is very creamy. 5 out of 5.
That's what I say. So for dinner, I'm having a pad thai stir-fry dish. Here I am boiling some noodles. So the recipe that I'm making is a recipe from Ellen Fisher's video. So I'll show you the ingredients, but I'll put the full recipe link in the description box. So I'm dicing up some mushrooms, zucchini, and cauliflower. And I'm just going to saute it in water. You can use oil instead, but the recipe said to use water or low sodium vegetable broth. So I'm going to do it that way. So for the sauce, I'm adding in red peppers, celery, onions, carrots, dates, tahini, and some sea salt. You're going to need a high-speed blender for this recipe, being that it calls for a lot of tough vegetables. You're going to need something strong enough to blend it up. So the recipe called for tempeh, but I'm using some super firm tofu. I added some sea salt, garlic powder, and black pepper to it. And I'm just going to cook it on both sides until it browns. I didn't add any oil to the pan because I'm using a non-stick pan.
With the black eyes, give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black eyes. Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable. But as long as I feel like you're sleeping, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right.
So I'm adding some black pepper, some garlic powder, and some sea salt to the pasta. So this is a super healthy recipe. You can taste the vegetables in the sauce. It's almost a fully raw recipe besides the cooked pasta and the sauce that I had simmering for about a minute. But other than that, it's super healthy and satisfying.
I have cream all over my face.
Gotta have my sriracha.
If you like spice, this dish is really good with sriracha. Gives it that oomph, that kick.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same